welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video and the next 5 videos, I'll be using one of my favorite workout equipments, the aerobic step, the fitness step, the stepper. I've been using this since 2018, since I started my weight loss journey. And you can buy this from any of your local sports store or online. I bought this from Shopee for around 1,500 pesos, including the shipping. If you don't have this, you can use a bench or the bottom part of your stairs. Just make sure it is stable and durable enough to carry your weight. We'll be doing a lot of stepping on and off the stepper. And there won't be any jumping, no rough moves, but please step accordingly to avoid untoward incident. And for added resistance, you can use your dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, and resistance band. So get your stuff ready. This is 6 aerobic step workouts part 1. Tara! Workout tayo!
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So this is 6 aerobic step workouts part 1. First is step basic, just stepping on and off the stepper. Let's go! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 10-second rest interval. Next up is step calf raise. It's like tiptoeing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is step tap. Step tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is step high knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is step side kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. not the least, step squat. Squat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's about it, the 6 aerobic step workouts. Please stay tuned for parts 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.